Forget weeks of tedious modeling. What if I told you that a single 2D image could become a fully textured, production-ready 3D asset in under 3 minutes? The latest AI-powered tool, Hitem3D, is here, and it's generating models at a resolution so high, it might just change 3D modeling forever. Hitem3D. You've heard of AI-generated 3D models before, but what math magic has done with Hitem3D is on another level. We're talking ultra-high-resolution models, up to 1536 cast from just one simple photo. Most AI 3D generators max out at 10:4 res resolution, and you can see the difference. Hitem3D's breakthrough tech captures micro-level detail that other models just miss. This isn't a small upgrade, it's the difference between standard definition and HD video for 3D assets. The process is shockingly simple. You just upload one image and Hitem3D's Spar 3D model does the heavy lifting. For those needing even more precision, you can upload multiple views to create an even more accurate and detailed model. This saves artists days, not just hours. Whether you're a game developer building assets, a product designer prototyping an idea, or a hobbyist who loves 3D printing, Hitem3D is designed to speed up your workflow. It exports to popular formats like .gilb, .gilb, .obj, and .cl, so your new model works right out of the box. This is the creative shortcut we've all been waiting for. So, is Hitem3D the death of 3D modeling? Not at all. It's the evolution. It's a tool that empowers everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros, to create more and create it faster. It handles the tedious parts, so you can focus on being creative. I've dropped the link to Hitem3D in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. What do you think about this new wave of AI creation? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. See you in the next one.